कल का बढ़ा हुआ ब्लड प्रेशर अब भी फाइनली थोड़ा नीचे आया है. What an exciting end to the EPL. Welcome to Futiapa. This is Ameya and that's Shaunak for you.
Hey, hi guys, what's up?
दोनों आज
Welcome to Futiapa.
दोनों आज खुश है क्योंकि दोनों टॉप 4 में आ गए, पहुंच गए. हम तो मर के पहुंचे. लिवरपूल had a decent right there, but finally we are in top 4.
Decent as in abhi for the last 11 games we won almost 10 games out of it, and we were like very good and very well, and we deserve to be in top 4 basically. End mein.
Yeah. And thankfully you had a simpler match to the other two teams also, so that helped a lot.
Yeah, but
because last दिन का tension बहुत रहता. You playing and especially I think you were at home, right?
Yeah, we were at home and we were playing
that is
in front of
a
Cops.
advantage also.
We were playing in front of Cops and we had 10,000.
Huge difference.
Yeah, 10,000 fans, only Liverpool fans, and you know the atmosphere at Anfield is just undescribable.
Yeah, I told you like 2-3 weeks before only Liverpool is going to come in top. I had no doubts about it. I was only worried about frankly Chelsea and Leicester because Liverpool had a decent run of games after United, and they were in a good form right now. So I was pretty sure that Liverpool will qualify.
But
and they did it in style. They came third. That's awesome.
Yeah, but अरे वो मोहम्मद साला पास ही नहीं कर रहा था. वो पता है क्या? He was very hungry for his golden boot. Eventually, he ended up not winning it. But I was very lucky enough that he at least gave an assist to Sadio Mane because वो पास ही नहीं कर रहा था साला. He was not in mood of passing yesterday.
That's not good. Quite good, but but he has, frankly, I feel he has carried Liverpool season.
Exactly.
Otherwise, you would not be anywhere near to where you are.
नहीं यार.
The amount of goals he scored are just like amazing.
But just tell me honestly, don't you think he even coming in third place right now is not less than a trophy for us, considering our injuries? What do you think about this?
Nah, I don't think so, frankly. See, finally, nobody cares.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll be very frank. Nobody cares whether you came third, you came fourth. Like we were. I, as a Chelsea fan, know that we were just lucky to get in, and I was just happy that it happened to Leicester because I have like that Amartey curse on them. So I was really happy about it. But I frankly feel we didn't deserve it. But it's not true in that sense, because in that sense, I will not call it's a successful season, but at least a bad season was made into a decent one. Because at one point of time we were also 10th, and we lost our manager, and we didn't know, we were in like total problems, that how are we going to come out of it. But frankly, we managed to come top 4. I was happy about that, but I frankly feel we need to be much better to call ourselves to be a good EPL team.
but तुम लोग, मुझे एक बात बताओ, तुम लोग कल हार गए, so ऐसे तुझे ये नहीं लगा ब्रो कि यार अभी चांस ही नहीं है कोई, अभी यही नहीं है? मतलब I know that you were following updates of Tottenham वाला game. Tottenham.
Yeah, I see. I was pretty sure about Spurs giving a tough fight because उनका Europe भी dependent था.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I was just hoping for that. Chelsea, they didn't score their opportunities initially, and when you don't do that, it's gonna be difficult. Exactly. Because Aston Villa, again, they were playing at home. They had fans there. Jack Grealish was amazing form again, and I knew we are going to suffer, and it happened. It happened before the half. We conceded a goal. After, I was tensed. I was not tensed in that sense, but I was like, okay, fine, we have to play Europa. But at the same point, I was hoping for Harry Kane to bring his magic, and he did. So I was happy about that. And of course, Leicester को उधर यार, इधर हमारा जो भी गोल जाता है वो ऑफसाइड गोल जाता है, और इधर लेस्टर को 2 पेनल्टीज मिलके मार्डी ने कन्वर्ट भी कर लेते हैं. So I was tense, but it was exciting. And when they drew, and उसके बाद बेल ने थर्ड डाला, दैट टाइम आई न्यू कि एंड व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इज लेस्टर और टॉटनहम का मैच थोड़ा आगे चल रहा था, तो 4-5 मिनट्स बिफोर हमारा मैच एंड होने आई न्यू कि चलो टॉप 4 में आ गए.
Yeah, but
So
Bale stepped up when he was most needed yesterday. Bale and
oh,
Kane.
yeah.
मतलब
Kane तो always steps up, man. I'm that's what I'm trying to. That's what I said, na. Okay, you have to be so thankful to Salah in that sense for where you landed as Liverpool. Kane ने Golden Boot जीता, उसने 23 goals मारे, but still Spurs couldn't come there. So कितने important goals मारे हैं Salah ने in that sense to make you win. ये show करता है that you came third. And इसने 23 गोल मार के भी they are still 7.
That's a pity actually.
Yeah, wrong team always. Yeah,
Kane.
I hope he moved. I'm hoping he is going to move, but I'm hoping he moves to the right team because he has a lot of potential.
Yeah, he's right.
He's one of the players who can really give Lewandowski run for money. This is what I feel, frankly. Yeah, as a striker. If he gets into the right team, I certainly feel he has that potential.
But where do you see him exactly going? Like Man United, City, or Chelsea? Because these three major teams are linked with him badly. Because we are not in.
I don't think United will try. I don't think they'll try to go for him because they have signed Cavani for 2 years. So I don't think he'll be going there. Definitely Chelsea need a striker. United need a striker.
Right.
Sorry. Chelsea need a striker, City need a striker with Aguero going. And I don't think Gabriel Jesus can take over the mantle that Aguero has, frankly.
But did you see yesterday, bhai, Aguero, man.
He, like there was this, like, give me your 3 best strikers that you have seen in the EPL era.
Acha, in EPL era, since I've started watching. Right?
Yeah.
See, firstly, I'll say it was Luis Suarez and his prime season at Liverpool in 2013-14.
Okay.
Aguero as well, obviously. And another one was और कौन था? Wayne Rooney यार. ये 3 strikers मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे.
So I think
उसमें Drogba भी आता है, but
so for me Thierry Henry तो होगा.
Yeah. You have been watching since long, right?
Yeah. So Thierry Henry, he was brilliant. Aguero, and Wayne Rooney, absolutely,
undoubtedly.
Yeah. So we had, unfortunately, Chelsea has had, except like after Drogba, we had like a strikers ka drought, and we never had like that striker. I hope Costa was good. Costa was one who would have come up. But उसका वो season ही Conte ने बंद कर दिया, so it was bad. But as I said ना कि तुम 3 strikers पूछोगे EPL में, most of them will have Aguero. That's how brilliant he is.
Undoubtedly, yeah. Aguero, even in his last game, he came off the bench and he scored 2 goals, man. मतलब I was thinking कि यार ये hat-trick मार के जा रहा है क्या behind में?
That's the person that's the best part about Aguero. He's like a team player. He will not care whether you are starting him. He'll just care where he's on the field. He has to perform. बस खत्म है उसका.
Yeah, man. What a player.
बाकी वो कुछ नहीं करेगा.
I'll just say one thing. कि we were lucky enough to witness Sergio Aguero play in EPL.
Absolutely. Two amazing City players that I've been lucky to see. One was David Silva
and another one is Aguero. And keeping rivalries apart, I'll say with a sporting heart, yes, I am lucky enough to see these guys play.
Absolutely.
At least in EPL.
Yeah. Brilliant. And so finally top 4 ka ho gaya. So everybody was relieved. Yeah. Of course, it was a stressful match.
Exactly.
But yeah, Leicester, I mean, okay, I don't have a lot of emotions for them after what happened after the FA Cup, but really they have been. How can you choke so much? They were, you must be knowing they were 242 days in top 4.
Yeah, they were right. 240 or 42 days in top 4. Yeah.
How can you do that?
And they just bottled it, bro. They just bottled it in almost last 4 or 5 games, right?
Yeah, last 4 or 5 games छोड़ दो. Last game they could have still won it and done it.
Hmm.
It was that easy for them. Of course, it was not easy क्योंकि Spurs था. So at halftime, Chelsea were out of top 4
Oh
yesterday.
my God, that was मतलब ये ऐसी चीज है ब्रो सिर्फ प्रीमियर लीग में हो सकती है और कहीं पे भी नहीं हो सकती.
Yeah,
मैं बोल रहा
of course, but like they were also not playing someone like Fulham or Burnley or someone. They were also playing Spurs.
हूँ Spurs.
So it was a difficult match, but they should have secured that top 4 place long time back with the position they were in.
Right.
I don't know what happened to them.
And even yesterday there was also a game of Wolves versus Man United, and Man United are unbeaten in away
Yeah.
games this season.
Yeah,
I mean that's a
brilliant
brilliant
record. It's not easy in EPL. Absolutely, going unbeaten and it's tough. And I think United were very good this season after their 6-1 loss to Tottenham. I think they just got their season together, and that's brilliant.
Yeah, everything.
Kudos to Solskjaer. About that.
Superb. And
yeah, he's a United legend, and he proves it there. And suddenly, even I see with the United fans, they have this feeling that someone of their own is now at the club, and that makes a huge difference for them.
Exactly.
So United have been brilliant.
Yeah.
And I think Luke Shaw had an amazing season. Bruno Fernandes had an amazing season again.
Exactly.
Cavani had a great season. Rashford had a great season. So all their huge players stood up when it was needed, and that's why they are. Right?
But it is also a little bit weird that they have lost so many home games.
Yeah. So that is what I was wondering that day, Shaunak.
Yeah.
And I think you will agree with me कि ये ना crowd नहीं होने का problem है. If you see, a lot of teams have lost their home games. Even Chelsea, even Liverpool, Arsenal, United, City, ये सब लोगों ने ना उनके होम गेम से सिटी को ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता because नहीं है मतलब they are new fans, but other teams fans नहीं है ना, that's making a huge difference for their home game. वो advantage नहीं है.
Agree with this, man. Absolutely agree with this. And the most bothering thing for us this season was we were missing fans and the atmosphere that we needed the most, and that was a catastrophic part in our last season.
I think Liverpool and United have the best atmosphere in EPL.
Undoubtedly.
Yeah, so that may be a reason affecting their performances, because of course we have seen through eras of EPL that teams का home form ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है away form से.
Exactly.
But last 2 seasons, if you look, last 2 seasons from
we lost 6 consecutive home games, after that Burnley defeat. And that was a catastrophic. I mean, not catastrophic. That was horrible.
Absolutely. So I think abhi next season say fans are back na. We'll have more interesting EPL, because ये home games ज़्यादातर teams हारेंगे नहीं. The big 4, big 5, whatever you call them, हारेंगे नहीं. So it will be interesting.
Sure. Now we'll just talk about Harry Kane. I mean, what a player, man.
Absolutely. Like coming from the bench about 6-7 years ago, I had seen him coming from the bench, and then he scored a goal. To be a striker who scores 20 plus goals consistently every season after that is just brilliant. That is something.
He'll surely become a Premier League legend in future, I'm sure.
Yeah. And frankly speaking, he doesn't have that awesome midfield that maybe a United or a City have.
City has, yeah.
For in Spurs, but he still manages to score goals. That's just brilliant. He just creates goals. He even gave the highest amount of assists. Like that's brilliant. Yeah.
14 assists there na usne.
14 assists, 23 goals. That's amazing.
Like it's like overpowering 2 people at a time, Mohamed Salah and Kevin De Bruyne, in terms of goals and assists.
And still imagine he being in some top 4 ka EPL team. They would be destroying teams right now.
Yeah,
Just
man,
imagine that.
absolutely. And that would be a bad news for every other team that would step.
Yeah, absolutely. So, both like amazing. I don't know, matlab, he doesn't look like a striker you would like to have, but what performances season after season, man. That's amazing, and that is what is required now. The consistency
Mhm.
that Aguero has, or somebody like Salah has
Hmm.
now, or somebody like Harry Kane, that makes them great. It's not about that one season where you score 35 goals and then next season you just score 10 goals.
Hmm.
They will consistently give you those 20 plus goals, and that is amazing about these guys.
Exactly, absolutely agreed. And now we'll talk about across the Europe segment apna.
Yeah,
So
amazing
man, I'm
this
very
time.
happy, very happy for two teams at least. I will start first with La Liga, Atletico Madrid.
Brilliant,
Brilliant season,
brilliant.
man.
I saw their match, and the way they came after the halftime
Hmm.
was just amazing. Of course, the team they were facing was not the greatest of teams,
Mhm.
but that pressure is always there, and the way they came out, and the way Luis Suarez finished that goal
Huh.
after that run, it just showed his class.
And
I just hope he wouldn't have bitten off people. Otherwise, he would have been like when you talk about Suarez, most of the people are going to remember.
I was saying only what I was
Yeah,
saying is this thing. Suarez was thought to be a liability to Barcelona when they sold him last season for 7 or
why would
10
you
million.
do that? Why would you do that?
They
Like,
thought that he was very old enough to start for Barcelona, and they sold him to Atletico Madrid.
and who was their striker right now? I don't see a number 9 for them. Like Messi, was he playing number 9?
No, they Griezmann was playing as a number 9, if you remember.
Oh,
But you know, यार Griezmann ठीक है मतलब he's not up to that level of Suarez or any other one.
and Griezmann went from Atletico Madrid to Barcelona.
वही तो.
But nah, very happy for them. Very happy.
Mhm.
Like they have been fighting for the title every year. They are at least second or third.
Hmm.
Or yeah, so happy.
Yeah,
Great
and
season for them.
another underdog victory was Lille winning against Angers, some team
Yes,
called Angers, and I'm really happy for that because at least the
absolutely.
underdogs have achieved something. It just gives me that kind of bliss ki football is still alive. Money is not everything
Yeah.
in football.
You
I like-
need. Who is the manager? Do you know?
Manager, I forgot his name, but I know one interesting thing about Lille. Ki 2 seasons ago, 18-19 के season में, they were promoted to अपना League One. Okay. पिछले
They
season
were
में,
promoted.
yeah, they were promoted. 19-20 में last season they finished second, and this season they are champions.
Oh, I think I also read about them that their last victory in French league was when Hazard and
Gervinho.
I think Jorginho were playing for them. Yeah.
Gervinho were playing. Yeah.
And after that they got relegated.
They were relegated because they sold players ना bro. वो players were उन्होंने बेच दिया ना वो Hazard Wizard सबको at that time, and अभी same situation हुआ. They sold Nicola Pepe, but उनके साथ after selling Nicola Pepe they finished second. फिर वो अभी championship जीत गए.
Nice. Brilliant. Or PSG, man, so much of money. Like how I'm surprised. How could you lose that league? Like
नहीं
they have, like when you see their forward line,
Hmm.
I think they have Di Maria,
हाँ.
Neymar, Mbappe,
हाँ.
Draxler, Icardi,
Icardi.
and who's that guy who scored against Bayern? Header मारा उसने.
हेडर इसने मारा था.
Choupo-Moting ना?
वो बायन में है. वो बायन में इधर नहीं है
वो बायन में है. Okay. So like 5-6 great players. And
defense.
But I'm happy. I have no complaints. I'm so happy for Lille.
Even I'm happy for Lille, man. Superb season. And another news that I would say is Juventus qualified yesterday.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Napoli dropped out, right? With
That's
the
a
draw.
big surprise for Juventus as well as Napoli, because Napoli were clearly favorites for qualifying for Champions League. But and Juventus का पता है, they started Ronaldo from bench and they ended
It's
up winning
okay. I think he still scored the highest number of goals in the Italian league, right?
अरे
Or
यार,
was it
even
Lukaku?
नहीं, it's Ronaldo. Even in his worst season, he's top scorer in Serie A and with 29 goals. And people are saying Messi is also worst season of his life, and he is also top scorer of La Liga. And there he has scored 30 goals.
Amazing guy. These guys are just amazing, man.
These
I
guys are
can
not like humans, I'll say.
yeah, absolutely. And I just wish के एक season Ronaldo Messi में से कोई EPL में आ जाए. It would be amazing to see them.
But not at City, please.
Yeah. City तो they Aguero जाएगा तो कौन replace करेगा? That will be interesting.
I think City
But
will go
I
for
think
Harry Kane.
Kane,
City will go for Harry Kane.
but I am sure anybody who replaces Aguero, Guardiola उससे निकाल लेगा जो निकालना है.
Even Erling Haaland भी linked है ना वो अपना Haaland Dortmund का.
अच्छा.
But
Nice.
I don't see City buying Haaland, like, because they have Kane in front of them right now, who is a proven striker, and uh, he's proven, man. He's proven every single thing.
Yeah. So a very interesting season, and next season will be more interesting with fans being back.
Yeah, man.
So I think I अब भी मेरे को ऐसा लगेगा कि EPL एक्चुअली यार उसका मजा आने लगेगा जब फैंस हो. The whole passion thing and players after scoring shouting in empty stadium बहुत बोर लगता है.
But tell me honestly, like, what was the moment of the season for you? At least from your club or any other club?
From our club, okay.
हाँ, या कोई भी क्लब के बारे में बोल सकते हैं ऐसा कुछ.
नहीं तो I would movement नहीं बोल सकता, but I would certainly say like if you ask me कि turning point मेरे को क्या लगा, the form that Foden showed
Phil
for
Foden.
Man City. Yeah.
So basically, okay, nice. And for
Phil
me,
Foden and I think the form even Gundogan showed when they were in like problems. The way Gundogan and Foden played, that was amazing.
Like De Bruyne was injured and he was out for 2 months, and yeah, superb. And for me, the moment of the season was Alisson scoring the header against West Bromwich Albion. And match of the season, I'll go with West Ham versus Spurs, if you remember carefully. Like Spurs.
3-3.
Yeah, 3-3, exactly.
3-3.
Man, that has to be match of the season, to be honest.
7-2 नहीं क्या? Aston Villa.
I would say.
Even United scored 9-0 against Southampton, I guess.
Southampton against 9 मारे थे सालों ने, and
9.
Leeds United they scored 6.
Oh, 6. Oh, nice.
They were rampant.
Yeah, there were a lot of movements if you think about it. हमने सोचा तो बहुत चीजें थी.
This season was hell of a roller coaster, because the league table changed consistently. Like जब City top पे आई तो वही top पे थी. उसके पहले you can figure a pattern कि एक बार United ऊपर जा रही है, फिर एक बार Spurs, फिर एक बार Liverpool, फिर उसके बाद Liverpool नीचे आती है.
We were also top of the table. I was
at certain point even you guys were at top, and United,
I think Leicester were at the top at certain point. Everton were at the top, if you remember, for the first 2 months.
Initially, yes. फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने
I think movement of the year for me will with respect to my club is Aguero's penalty against us. जो उसने बहुत फालतू penalty मारा.
अरे oh my god, remarkable.
like how can Aguero do that यार? Like ऐसा था.
मतलब ऐसा कैसे कौन कर सकता है यार? At least इतना simple, इतना casually कौन ले सकता है?
And that would have won them the title that day itself. So amazing season.
Yeah, man. So now I'm looking forward for Euros, and guys.
Yeah, thankfully यार अभी बोर नहीं होगा 2 महीने, वरना यार ये ट्रांसफर न्यूज देखते रहो और उसमें से भी सब झूठ होंगे,
फिर डिप्रेशन में जाओ.
Now we have food.
डिप्रेशन में जाओ फिर
Here we go.
लेके
देखो.
फॉल्स होप्स लेके. तब तक गाइस फब्रिजियो रोमानो को भी फॉलो करो. एंड
Yes.
गाइस प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, comment
share.
to the Futiapa.
Yeah. And tell us something like some topic that you would like us to discuss, or like
Exactly.
you would like your views about it. That will be
Exactly.
fun.
Please share your feedback in the comment box. And thank you so much. Signing off.
Thank you. Yeah.